Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. Today we bring you a look at the ProlanV 1080p 2.5-inch dashcam. The ProlanV camera is an efficient dashcam that gets the basics right and does not overreach with unnecessary functions. It records up to 4 lanes of traffic in crisp 1080p MOV format video with this wide-angle lens, comes with a Sony IMX323 sensor for clear night video, and has a small design that is quite resistant to extreme temperatures. Let's begin with a quick unboxing. We first see the user guide, a frequently asked questions booklet, then the ProlanV dash camera, a long mini USB cable to power the camera, the dual charging port lighter plug, a suction cup windshield mount, and a spare mini USB cable. Having a closer look at the camera, on the front we see the 6-glass wide-angle lens with Sony's IMX323 sensor. On the back there's a 2.5-inch IPS screen, the 2 LED indicators, and the buttons for menu and emergency file save, up, down, and OK. On the left, there's the AV out port and the microSD card slot up to 64 GB. On the right, we have the mini HDMI out port, the reset pinhole, and the USB power port. On top, there's the mount slot and the power button. And on the bottom, the speaker and ventilation holes. To install the camera, place the suction mount in a suitable position on your windshield. Insert the dash camera into the mount and secure it tightly. Connect the mini USB cable to the dash cam and route it to the car's headliner. And connect the lighter plug to ensure the camera starts working when you turn the ignition on. Now, having a look at the main camera functions. The recording resolution can be set to a maximum of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Loop recording can be 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes. You can use the wide dynamic range lighting option, set the G-sensor sensitivity, activate motion detection, and use the parking monitor to record what happens when your vehicle is left unattended. In the end, the ProlanV dashcam is a capable little camera that delivers quality in a small package. While it does not have all the bells and whistles of other models, it accomplishes what it sets out to do very effectively. To check out the ProlanV dashcam, please click on the link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are the video sample clips. I'll see you on the next review.